apparently a bit of honeydew melon in tough times has been well received. Don't give them too much though, don't want to create lazy bees. And here we are at day, what is it, 13? 13 or what, no 13 I think. And I've come out half an hour early, or earlier. Thinking I'll beat them out this morning, but no. So the next thing out will be, or the next time out will be 4 o'clock. Just to see what time they get started. Because they surely don't go all night, right? That's the same shot with the light turned off. Not sure how that's going to come out, but I think on the screen here it looks reasonably light, but in true life it's still quite dark. And Peter, there's more than one female, mate. They're all females except for a very small number of drones. The drones are the males. The rest are all female. What a society, eh? Seems to function all right. That's all we got for today.